Welcome to my quiet corner. Today, we sit together in the morning light to find a deep connection with our inner selves and the Creator. Have you ever felt that despite sleeping for many hours, your body remains heavy and your digestive system constantly feels like it is in rebellion? This persistent fatigue and bloating are not just random symptoms, they are the urgent cries for help from a nervous system that is completely overwhelmed. We often ignore these signals, but today we will learn to listen. Healing begins when we decide to stop and finally we invite stillness. It is only in the silence that we can hear what our bodies have been trying to tell us. Your nervous system is the bridge between your soul and your physical health. When this bridge is burdened, every part of your being starts to suffer. Let us take a moment to breathe. This journey toward healing is not a race, but a gentle unfolding of your most radiant and healthy self. I want to share the art of soothing your nerves to heal your gut and finally push back the darkness of chronic exhaustion and total burnout. The gut is often called our second brain. They are in a constant, silent conversation, sharing every emotion and every single stress signal we experience. When your mind is under pressure, your sympathetic nervous system takes control. It prepares your body for a fight or flight response to survive danger. In this state, the body prioritizes survival over maintenance. It literally shuts down your digestion because processing food isn't necessary when you are running. The result is a stagnant system. Without the energy to move, food sits heavily, causing inflammation, painful gas, and a deep sense of internal depletion. We cannot hope to heal the belly if we do not first find a way to soothe the chaos happening inside of our own heads. Chronic stress keeps this switch in the on position. Your body never gets the chance to rest, digest, or repair the damage from daily life. Healing requires a shift back to the parasympathetic state. This is where the magic happens, where the body finally feels safe enough to process nutrients. It is a beautiful symphony when it works, but when the conductor is panicked, the music turns into a painful noise that leaves us exhausted. Your body wants to heal. It is designed to find balance. We just need to remove the obstacles of constant tension that stand in its way. Take a moment to realize that your gut issues are not a failure of your body, but a response to the weight you are carrying. Every thought sends a chemical message to your intestines. Are you sending messages of safety or messages of alarm to your internal world today? Understanding this connection is the first step. Now, let us look deeper at the physical reality of what happens when the gut is compromised. Look at this silk scarf. It is incredibly soft and fine, much like the delicate lining of your gut, which protects your entire inner ecosystem. This lining is supposed to be a selective barrier, only letting in the good nutrients while keeping the harmful toxins and bacteria strictly out. But when we are under constant stress, this barrier becomes compromised. Imagine these holes getting larger, losing their ability to filter what passes through. This is what people call leaky gut. It allows undigested food and toxins to leak into your bloodstream, triggering a massive wave of internal inflammation. I call this the ultimate internal betrayal. Your own defense system is struggling, and your body starts to attack itself in a desperate confusion. The brain receives these signals of inflammation and responds with brain fog, anxiety, and a feeling of being completely drained of all energy. The good news is that this silk-like lining can be repaired. It is not a permanent state of damage, but a call for restoration. We can sew these gaps back together with discipline and the right nutrients. It requires a commitment to a life of peace and careful choices. You must protect your inner lining like the treasure it is. Without a strong gut, your energy will always leak away like water through sand. Think of your gut health as the foundation of your house. If the foundation is cracked, no amount of paint on the walls can save it. We treat our bodies with the respect they deserve when we understand their fragility and their incredible capacity for self-healing and total renewal. Let's be honest, in a world of quick fixes, many people are skeptical. They think I am just trying to sell another miracle product or dream. I smile because I know the truth. I'm not offering a magic pill. I'm offering a way of living that honors your created design. Everything I share is what saved my own life and has transformed the lives of my clients. It is born from real pain and real victory. True healing demands radical honesty with yourself. It requires you to look at your habits and ask if they are serving your life or destroying it. Discipline is not a punishment. It is the highest form of self-love. It is the act of setting boundaries to protect your precious and limited energy. When you have the discipline to say no to what harms you, you finally have the freedom to say yes to a vibrant and healthy life. The truth is often simple, but simple does not mean easy. It takes courage to stand up for your health when the world wants you busy. I am here to be a witness to your potential. You are not meant to live in a state of constant exhaustion and quiet desperation. We must be transparent about the work required. Healing is a daily choice, a rhythmic practice of turning toward the light and away from stress. Stop looking for the easy way out and start looking for the way back to your true self. The journey is worth every single effort. Believe that your body can change. Believe that your spirit can be renewed. This belief is the fuel for the discipline you need to start. Every step you take in alignment with your health is a victory. Don't let skepticism hold you back from the radiance that is your birthright. Let us now practice the actual art of soothing. It starts with the very breath that keeps you alive in this very moment today. Inhale peace deeply. Exhale the exhaustion that has been weighing you down. Let the air reach the deepest parts of your lungs and belly. As you breathe, you are telling your nervous system that it is safe. You are signaling to your gut that it can finally begin to work. Every sip of this herbal tea is a promise to yourself. It is a moment of nourishment that goes far beyond the physical taste of herbs. This is the art of soothing. It is not about doing more, but about being more present in the small, quiet actions of your day. Spend just 5 minutes each day in this state of pure presence. Feel the grace of the Creator flowing through every single one of your veins. When the mind is still, the body can finally direct its energy to where it is needed most, to the healing of your tired digestive system. This is where the miracle of digestion truly begins. It starts with an atmosphere of internal peace that allows for the perfect absorption of life. You are creating a sanctuary within yourself. No matter what is happening in the world outside, this peace is yours to keep and to cherish. Healing is not a destination you reach, but a way of walking through the world with grace, awareness, and a very deep sense of gratitude. Can you feel the shift already? Just a few minutes of intentional breathing can change the entire chemical landscape of your body and your mind. You have the power to regulate your own internal world. You are the steward of your health, and you are doing a wonderful, vital job. Keep this peace with you as you move forward. Let it be the foundation for everything you do and every choice you make today. True radiance does not come from a bottle of expensive cosmetics. It comes from a nervous system that is at peace and a healthy gut. When you heal from within, the beauty reflects outward for the whole world to see. You become a light for others who are still struggling. Start today, even with just one small step. I am always here to walk alongside you on this beautiful path to total and complete restoration. You deserve to feel good. You deserve to have the energy to live your life to the fullest. Never forget your own incredible and divine worth. May your day be filled with many blessings and a constant sense of awakening. May you find the strength to choose yourself over the noise. Go forth with peace. Your journey of healing has already begun, and the best is yet to come. I believe in your strength and your future. Blessings to you on your journey. Stay mindful, stay grounded, and always listen to the quiet whispers of your body as it heals and grows. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Until next time, be well, be radiant, and be completely at peace within your soul and body.
Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Every piece of knowledge helps us live a happier and healthier life.